Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to use UpBase for planning your book launch events. This is your full 2025 guide to make your novel debut a smashing success. First, you'll want to start by setting up your project on UpBase. Once logged in, click on New Project, then fill in the necessary details like your book title, launch date, and project team. Now, why is this important? This helps us because it allows UpBase to track all the tasks and deadlines related to your book launch. Next up, it's time to add tasks. Click the Add Task button to start creating your to-do list. Include everything from marketing activities, booking venues, to coordinating with your publishing team. The reason we do this is to ensure no critical steps fall through the cracks. Now that we've done that, it's time to assign these tasks. You'll see a drop-down menu in each task row where you can select a team member to be responsible for it. This step is vital as it helps delegate responsibilities and ensures everyone knows what they need to do. Once your tasks are assigned, you want to set your milestones. These are significant events or deadlines leading up to your book launch. Finalize book cover design, send out press releases, and confirm event venue could be some of your milestones. The reason we set these milestones is to keep track of progress and make sure the project is moving forward. Now let me explain why these milestones matter. They're not just arbitrary markers, they're visual representations of your progress. As they get checked off one by one, you'll feel the momentum building up to your big day. Finally, utilize UpBase's built-in calendar to visualize your project timeline. You can see when tasks start, when they're due, and how they align with your milestones. This helps us because it gives a clear view of the project timeline, ensuring we're on track. And there you have it. With UpBase, planning your book launch events becomes a breeze. Setting up your project, adding and assigning tasks, setting milestones, and keeping track of it all in the calendar makes the whole process manageable and less stressful. Remember, planning a book launch is like writing a book. It's all about breaking it down into digestible chapters, or in this case, tasks and milestones. Thanks for joining us today, and here's to a successful book launch.